when the monster came and got in the house, and he did, and got the ball, and then Chucky's dad went over here and cleaned, and then put these on brew, and he did, and the mommy did go over here and play with Angelica, and don't take a picture of me!
I'm not, I'm just holding my camera here. Keep reading.
How are you gonna get this away? Then Riptar, that's Riptar!
Yeah.
And it's over.
Okay, what'd you do?
I didn't rip it.
No. Did you read it?
Yep.
Good job.